You going? You got your camera?
Yeah, I got my camera.
Let's go.
Let's go because we're dudes, right?
That's right, we're dudes. Ladies and gentlemen, we got Nathan at the park today. He's going to be wild here. Going to be living a life of danger. Thinking about going down the big hill. This is a lot, ladies and gentlemen. Got trees, got forest. He's thinking about it. It's a lot of hill right now, Nathan. His fans are wild and ready. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Here he goes.
Yeah.
I'm quite sure a little baby accident's about to happen. Here we go. Hang on, ladies and gentlemen. 1, 2, 3. There he goes. Big Nathan. Hanging on. Pick your feet up. Ride it out. Ride it out. Yeah. Very good. Big hole. That was a big hill. Here he comes, ladies and gentlemen. He's revving up his engine. Looking good today. Thinking about his plan. And here he goes, ladies and gentlemen. Don't be afraid. We got fire over there. Popcorn's on sale at the stand. Here he goes. 1, 2, 3. Nathan's off. He's doing the thing. He's going down. Now he made it. Power.